how to withdraw money from Bitget to ABA Cambodia. Now, first of all, open the Bitget account and from the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. And after that, scroll down a little bit and now tap on the P2P option. Now after that, select the sell option because we want to withdraw our money. Now after that, select the token, for example, as USDT, and now set the limit by tapping on limit and now set it like 100 and now tapping confirm. From the top right corner, select the currency that you want to transfer your money on from here, as you can see. After that, to select your bank, now tap on method. If you don't see your bank here, just tap on search bar and now type your bank name. In this case, it will be ABA. Now after you find your bank, now tap on it. After that, select the merchant here. After you select it, now tap on it. And as you can see here, the transaction restricted only users who have signed up. Now just tap on OK. And now select, as you can see, because all of these merchants are restricted. Now we can't select one of these. So after you see an unavailable merchant, now tap on it. And now as you can see, you can withdraw your money to your bank. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to ABA Cambodia. Thank you. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe.